In this video, I'll be talking about accessing n8n via API. This is really helpful if you want to have the external reporting or if you want to manage your entire n8n instance. So let me show you. If you go into settings and if you click on n8n API, you can see here n8n API. This is API documentation, but you can also access your n8n API documentation, which will be in detail, in fact. So let me open this. So if you see here API v1 and slash docs. This is a complete documentation based on open APIs. It has various endpoints. For example, you can get the access of all the users. And here are these parameters which are also available. So you can use the post method, get method, delete method. So I'll just show you. If you try it out, you can see the status of this, whatever is error, running, success. So if you want to only see the executions with errors, so you can also do that. So there is a lot that can be done with the help of this API. So complete API documentation is available in any of the n8n instance. So whenever you install any n8n instance, or if it is on cloud also, you can see here, this is the payload also. So the reason why I'm showing you this, because you can not only manage the n8n instance using these APIs, but you can build a complete UI or complete platform that can not only help you to manage one n8n instance, but it can also help you to manage various n8n instances. And you can use this for triggering the workflows, to manage the workflows, and to do a lot. Based on this, I have developed a complete FlowOps, helping me to connect various n8n automation platforms together. So not only one instance, so I can have multiple instances of n8n where I can manage these instances from a single platform. So you can see here, these are all my workflows which I can even manage. So whatever active workflows are there, so it is directly fetching these workflows from my n8n instance. I can edit them directly here, or I can open in n8n to directly manage from there. And I can also see wherever the AI agents are added. So these AI agents will be here. Instead of managing the complete workflow, I can simply edit the user prompt or the system prompt. So you can see here, this is the system prompt, this is the user prompt. Of course, user prompt is based on the JSON drag and drop. Of course, I don't need to make any changes here, but I can always make the changes wherever I feel that the prompt needs to be updated. So instead of going into the n8n automation workflow platform, I can directly come over here where I'm managing multiple AI agents at the same spot. So all this is possible because the APIs are available in n8n. So every n8n instance is having the API. Of course, you can authorize it using the JWT. So you can add that key and then you will be able to access this complete. So you can see here, it shows you the lock sign, which means that you cannot, of course, directly access it. And this FlowOps is in fact available to you. So you can use it, flowops.syncbricks.com, and you can manage your all n8n instances. Let's continue to next video where I'll make you understand what else you can do with n8n.